So today I wanted to show you how to make a really nice vegan peanut butter and jelly French toast recipe. This is an amazing recipe and I just want to share it with you guys. So the first thing is to get your bread. So I've bought bread that's uncut. This is the key here because we're going to stuff it. And what I've done here is I've cut a slice of bread that's like double width here, as you can see. And I'm going to make an incision in the top. Then I'm going to mix together some peanut butter and some jam. I've gone for a strawberry jam in a little bowl, and then we're going to stuff it. So about a heaped teaspoon of peanut butter and a heaped teaspoon of the strawberry jam. I'm just going to give that a little mix quickly. So I've got here 1 tablespoon of flour in my little cup here, and to it I'm going to add some almond milk, about 100 ml, about 75 ml, let's say. Now, because we're not using any egg, this is just going to help thicken it slightly. First things first, I'm going to just pour this mixture just over and just pat it in. And I'm going to turn it over and do it on the other side. So I'm using almond milk, but you can use any milk you fancy. Rice milk, oat milk, also really good. Obviously not regular milk because this is a vegan recipe. So come over here, now we're ready to cook. I've just put my pan onto a medium-high heat. I'm just gonna get that nice and warm before we add the bread. So we're gonna add a little dash of oil, and then we're gonna add our French toast into the pan. So we're gonna have a caramelized banana with it, and I'm just going to show you how to caramelize a banana. Just gonna halve it like that with the skin on. And we're gonna cook it in the pan with the skin on till it's nice and golden, and then take the skin off and it'll be beautiful and golden. Keeping it with the skin on means it's easier to move around because otherwise it's gonna break really easily. We're gonna use the same pan after this. So the whole point is you're gonna make the French toast, look at that, nice and golden brown like that. And also, because we're warming it through, we're also gonna heat the peanut butter and the jam inside, so it's gonna be nice and melty. And we're gonna fry it on all sides. I'm just gonna pop that onto a plate. We're gonna use the same pan, and the bananas are gonna go straight in, see? So we're just talking about ingredients that are quite weird that go together. And I was reading a book, there's a really great book called The Flavor Thesaurus. And in it, it says that the Tsars in Russia used to eat banana with caviar. You have a little look, see? Getting nice and golden. I would recommend using tongs for this. I just have asbestos hands. So we're gonna let that finish cooking. Let's come back over here. To serve with this amazing creation, we're gonna have the bananas, but I'm just gonna show you now what this looks like inside. So you can see inside, there's that really nice melty peanut butter and jam. And what we're gonna do to serve, I'm just gonna put in like a blob of coconut yogurt like this, plus a dollop of peanut butter, a dollop of jam. Finally, we have this amazing caramelized banana. So pop it out and carefully peel off the skin like that on the top, like so. I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna finish it with a pinch of salt, and then I'm also gonna do a dusting of cinnamon from above. And there you have it, my delicious vegan peanut butter and jelly French toast. I do hope you love the recipe. Do make sure to subscribe and tell me what you think in the comments below. I'll see you next time.